Morning guys, I'm here at Huxley Motorsport again. As you can see, there's the old Galaxy. I'm having a play around with a new Marc's video, so bear with me, it's a little bit sketchy. Morning guys, you have to bear with me on the video in this one. I'm at Huxley Motorsport again. We're going to do the next phase of his Corolla build. As you can see, there's the Galaxy sat outside having a bit of fresh air. I'm getting used to this camera, so you have to bear with me. It's a little bit sketchy, and I expect we'll have a laugh with it anyway. So here you go. Can't even turn it round. So yeah, let me figure this out and I'll come back to it. That's weird, isn't it? Okay, so I managed to figure that out, sort of, I think. How you doing, Marc?
Yeah, alright.
So I'm having a go with this camera thing of yours with not very good success, but
takes a little getting your head around, that's for sure.
yeah. So be a sketchy video this one, but let's see how we go on. Right. So just wondered if you could give us a look around what you've been doing, because it looks like it's come a long way since the last video.
Yeah, so I think in the last video there was no engine box mounted.
That's right.
So yeah, a lot of stuff progressed from there really. Got the mid plate in, which is what holds, it's a gearbox adapter from small block Ford to Chevy Powerglide. So we've got the mid plate in. I had to notch the bottom of the mid plate so it sits on the frame. So it gives me a bit of support to know where that's going to be. And then I'll work my way forward with it really. So I've got the engine where I want it, and then I came to the front. I had to do a lot of research on these water housings to get the mid plate to mount. And then yeah, so I made the mid plate mount, and then I made some nice slots here to support it, just to make it easier to get in and out. So the back of the engine will be in proper fixings. The gearbox is on dowels, and the gearbox slides out. The gearbox mount I made as well. So the gearbox mount slides out, the gearbox slides off to make it in and get it in and out a lot easier really.
Cool.
So yeah, it's taken a lot of working out, because obviously putting these in, putting these tubes in, to working out where the steering rack's going to go, and then go from there, and then obviously do a trial fit of all the struts and where everything's sort of going to be sitting. So yeah.
So nice big brakes by the looks of it.
Yeah, we've got the best of the best really, without breaking the bank. So we've got strange struts with the best brakes you can get. I mean, most of them are braking if I'm going to be getting to high speed and parachute anyway. But yeah, I've got the best what I can afford really. So yeah, I mean, most of the stuff is from Tim McCain, the steering rack, the steering column, which I'm in process of now, and all the mounts and silly stuff. But I bought these off my mate Neil Bow. He let me have them cheap, so he was building a car and then he ended up buying a car. So yeah, we've got the struts. So yeah, the front end's starting to come together now. I'm just in the middle of doing a steering column, as you can see, which we'll work on that in a minute. But yeah, we've done the gearbox mount, the engine mount, and then this is another Tim McCain's part, which is a prop shaft protector. So if the prop shaft ever lets go, it stops coming up and damaging my legs, my dad's legs, whoever's driving it. And everything's quick release, so you pull these pins out, that comes off, this comes off, the prop shaft's easy to get off, and you can get the floor in and out easy. So yeah, it's a real piece of kit. Getting a bit close because it's a small car, but But yeah, it's gonna save our legs, and our legs are important to us. So.
Yeah, you don't want that prop braking, do you?
No, no. I mean, the last thing you see, there's a few videos on YouTube of you'll have to type them in of props letting go, and people having them in the face, and people's faces getting really, really knackered up from it. So it's a good thing to have, and it's extra protection. A lot of people say it's a bit over the top, but I'd rather be safety over the top than not enough, you know.
Yeah, always best to be safe. What it's all about.
So yeah, that's all the main thing. I've been working more around the front and around the mid area. Put some extra brakes. I've got the seat in as well. The seat's mounted down here, and it's got a mount at the back, so that's nice and strong now. And then yeah, just working on the column now. I haven't got any more steering boss or anything yet, so I've nicked TJ steering wheel, kind of work out where it's going to be. Yeah, it's also trying to make it so it fits. I've got to make a manifold around it as well. So.
Yeah, it's going to be tight by the looks of it.
Yeah, it's going to get a bit cosy, but I think round here it should be okay. I mean, I've left enough room here for a collector and to go up underneath the chassis, so I think it's going to work out really nice. So yeah, my job today is to get the steering column in, and hopefully by the end of the day have some steering.
Okay, so I'm going to input a load of pictures that you've been taking along the way, because obviously the social distancing and all that sort of stuff, then I can't get too close to my brother as much as I love him. So we'll stick a load of photos in, or you've already seen them, of what he's been doing, because it's come a long way since the last video. So what's the next stage then, Mark?
So steering column, and then I'm going to start working on where the pedals are going to be, so I can get the throttle pedal and the brake pedal in. And then, but to be honest, I'm waiting for bits for that. So for me, after the steering column's in, it's going to be some triangulation in the back frame.
Yep.
Mounting the fuel tank, working out where the battery's going to be, where the fuel pump's going to be, and then I can kind of work out where some paneling is going to be in the back. Until parts come again, and then I'll work on pedal assembly, and then start making some sheet metal, bulkheads and a bit of floor, and
start making it look pretty.
Start making it look pretty, and take the body off and weld all the frame up. So,
get rid of all these little bits of rust, I suppose.
Yeah, that's the next thing. Yeah, can't get a Toyota unless it's rusty.
No, we've still got, as much as we thought it was a good show, it is a good show, but there's bits, obviously, being a Jap car.
Yeah, well, if it had been a UK car, it'd have been more dust down there.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a pretty good shower considering, but we'll make it new before it goes into paint anyway, so it should be good.
Okay, thank you.